Go.
For demonstration purposes, I got a valve from another tractor. We won't name any green and yellow names, but this is an old valve. And if you look right here, goes right there, comes up, and it's got a valve spring on the other side here. This right here is the very top of that valve. So when your valve shuts, it closes up against the head right here. So you want this bevel to be as flat and true to that bevel that's behind this valve, so when it closes it makes an airtight seal. So if the valves are good, they're not like this one and pitted really badly. So you see all the pits on it. It's pretty horrible. It'd take a lot of grinding to grind that out. You can put a valve grinding compound on the valves, push them through there, and grind them, and what it does is it takes the metal off both the valve and the valve seat, and it matches them, it makes them up, so they're more of an airtight seal when the valve's closed. But this one is sticking. It could be rust, or it could be bent, so I need to take it out.
Do you need any special tools to take it
You need
out?
a valve compressor, valve spring compressor. I got one coming in the mail. Sometimes you can get by without using them, and sometimes you can't. It's a lot easier if you do.
Do you want to wait and do it once you get it?
I can try it without it. Remember where I put my magnet. I might not have enough hands for it. Here. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to push this valve spring down. Let me grab a screwdriver. And those two half circle cone pieces need to come out. So they're probably stuck, so I'm going to push it.
Does a magnet can you use a magnet to take them out?
Yeah. Don't use your fingers in case I slip. See if I can get them unstuck. Okay, that's kind of unstuck, so let's push it, try to get it off. Okay, let me push it.
Here. Let me put gloves on. You push it and I'll use a screwdriver to pry it apart.
Well, they just need to be picked up.
Well, let me.
Go ahead and grab some gloves.
Because that magnet's not strong enough.
Well, it normally is. They haven't been off in about 1,000 years. So.
Where are your gloves?
Over there on the workbench.
Hold on. I'm coming for you. So these are the pieces right here.
Valve keepers. Yeah, it's just stuck.
So are there any risks of what you use to, I mean, you could probably damage it if you use the wrong thing, right?
Well, you don't want to get too silly with it. But these old valves are pretty tough. Just try to stay center of the valve stem.
Looks pretty straight.
Doesn't look bad. So what I try to do is I get a flat spot. And you roll it. And if it's a little bit of space here, if it's bent, it'll go whoop, 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 whoop. That's a pretty straight valve.
So it's
If
just,
it's bent, it'll go thump, ka-thump, ka-thump, ka-thump.
it just had a bunch of stuff crusted
So
on it?
yeah, so I'm going to clean them up. It's not horribly sharp. What you look for is this edge. If this edge is really sharp, then there's no room really left to take metal off when you grind them. So it looks pretty good actually, so I think I'll clean it up. Valve guide is nice and tight. It may not even need valve guides, so I always plan for having to buy new valves, knock these valve guides out, put new valve guides in it. But if you don't have to, it's just money in the bank. Spend it on something else, paint or rubber or something. So, but that's good. I've been kind of wondering about this one valve that was pretty sticky, but seems to be coming apart or coming nice and straight. Let's see. You look how grimy this.
You turn off the light.
Look how grimy this old head was. It needed to come off just to clean it. All this is just
So how's all that get in there?
field dirt. Who knows? It may have had a valve cover, may have needed a gasket, or may not have had one, or got loose, and the old guy didn't take care of it, or there's no telling. Plus, it's a 90-year-old piece of equipment, so they take all they needed to do was start. If it started, then they had bigger things to worry about for the rest of the day. But it'll clean up easily enough. As you can see, it's coming right up. The hard part will be getting all this scale and rust and all that crap out of the inside of it. But there's a couple of tricks for that too.
So we're gonna pick this up on the next one.
Yep. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you got some kind of a valuable information out of this. I don't know if my way is the best way, but just the way I do it. Hopefully you can pick something up from it. Please
Yeah, if
like it.
anybody has other ideas, they can always comment and give you some ideas too.
Yeah, that's true. Be sure to like and subscribe, and have a good day.